Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to safely remove BangSearch.Pro from your browser. First, use a trusted anti-malware tool to scan your PC, like SpyHunter, and follow the instruction to detect threats automatically. Next, check for your installed programs. Open Control Panel and go to Uninstall a program. Delete any suspicious-looking apps, but be careful that you don't delete any important app. It can even break down your PC. Next, check your browser extensions. Go to your extension on the top right and go to Manage Extensions. If you see some extension that you have not added or don't remember adding and then look unfamiliar, just click on Remove and remove them. Finally, reset your browser by going to the three-dot icon and go to Settings and scroll down until you find the Reset Settings and reset your setting to the original default. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.